Hi Techno fans! Welcome to a new unboxing and review on our channel. Today we have a product with really incredible features, the ProArt PX13 laptop from ASUS. This is not just any laptop, Techno fans. The ProArt PX13 is a convertible computer, which means it works as a laptop and a tablet so you can switch modes seamlessly depending on your mood. ASUS has integrated every component of this laptop with artificial intelligence to boost its performance and maximize your creativity. The ProArt PX13 features artificial intelligence to drive hardware processing, as well as powerful applications, military-grade resistance, and a long-lasting battery to create a durable, adaptable computer. In addition, it comes with Windows 11 Pro, which is equipped with Copilot for personalized assistance. Let's take a look at its packaging and talk about its features. As usual, it comes with a manual and warranty. This particular version is 13.3 inches with a 3K OLED touchscreen, up to 32 GB of memory, up to 1 TB of SSD storage, and a keyboard with the exclusive ASUS dial pad, an intuitive physical controller that lets you digitally control the parameters of your creative applications instantly and precisely. Like zooming in and out or turning the volume up and down, it's completely customizable. Here we are demonstrating how easy it is to go from laptop to tablet mode. Thanks to a performance that uses AMD Ryzen AI 9 with 50 TOPS of processing power, this laptop offers efficiency enhanced by AMD Ryzen artificial intelligence. And with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPU, you can enjoy realistic detail and clarity at unprecedented speeds, visual effects, faster rendering, smoother playback, real-time video editing, and 3D design. The ProArt PX13's design aims to rediscover the depth of black with Nano Black, a nanomicroporous structure that minimizes reflections and fingerprints to ensure the laptop will stay clean no matter where you work. You get USB 4 Type-C, USB 3.2 Type-A, HDMI 2.1, and microSD card reader ports, plus Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. A sound with Harman Kardon stereo and Dolby Atmos technology for crisp, immersive sound. Finally, the ProArt PX13 comes equipped with some very cool apps for creators, such as MuseTree for AI image generation, StoryCube for organizing and categorizing your digital photos and videos, and the ProArt Creator Hub for monitoring device status, customizing settings, and improving workflow. My final opinion is that the ProArt PX13 is a very well-equipped computer for creatives. The performance and graphics are useful if you need to edit videos or create animations, plus you have many built-in programs with artificial intelligence to maximize your efficiency and creativity. And with the ASUS dial pad, you feel like a pro. I would also recommend it if you are a person who travels a lot and would like to be able to work anywhere, as it is a portable and versatile computer. This version starts at 49,239 pesos. If you are interested, you can order it through our website, or if you would like to know more, leave us your comments in the video. That was all, Techno fans. I hope you found this review useful. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and we will help you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you next time!